Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Atos Syntel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the things one should know so that you can apply for this opportunity. So we are going to discuss about all the things such as the educational qualifications required for this opportunity, all the eligibility criteria for which role they are hiring for what are the locations they are hiring for, and for which batch they are conducting this off-campus drive. So we will talk about all these things in a detailed manner, so I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea of this opportunity. And for all those who are new to Fresh Hobby, let me tell you about Fresh Hobby. So in this channel I upload all the videos regarding latest off-campus placement opportunities and videos regarding the recruitment process for all these opportunities. So if you are new and you haven't yet subscribed to Fresh Hobby, then I request you all to subscribe to Fresh Hobby so that you can get all the latest updates regarding such videos very quickly. And without making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video, which is about Atos Syntel hiring. So as you can see on your screen right now, so this is the official announcement from Atos Syntel for this off-campus drive. So I will put this official link in the description box of the video, so you can simply go there and visit that link. So just read this disclaimer, like your chance of getting shortlisted to participate in the recruitment drive is only applicable to correct information filled in the registration form. So they have mentioned like you have to fill all the information correctly so that you can just be eligible for this opportunity. So simply click here on the next. So after next, you can see a kind of a PDF here, so in which they have mentioned all the eligibility criteria. So we'll see that PDF too. So as you can see on your screen, like this is the very first PDF they have mentioned here, which includes all the eligibility criteria. So we'll go through all these things one by one. So very first thing here is 2021 full-time graduates only from recognized universities. So this drive is particularly for all the 2021 graduates only. And talking about the courses and streams which are eligible for this opportunity are like all the BE, BTech holders in streams like computer science and IT, and all the MCA holders are eligible for this opportunity. And talking about the percentage criteria, so a minimum score of 60% in 10th, 12th, graduation and post graduation in all semesters is required. And in backlog, no current backlog should be there. And educational break, max 1 year of break is education is allowed from 10th to highest qualification. And the drive location will be online, that means they'll conduct all the phases included in the recruitment process in a virtual manner. And prerequisites for this opportunity are like one should have good written and verbal English skills, flexible to work in any shift like morning, afternoon, night / 24/7 shift. And job location are like they have given total 4 locations here, like Pune, Mumbai, Chennai and Tirunelveli. And next they have mentioned Atos Syntel reserves the right of location, so that means based on the requirements they will put you in any one of these locations. So this is the very first PDF they have provided for the educational qualifications. So next we'll move forward to the official websites. So once you read all these things, just simply click here on the I have read the eligibility criteria and click on accept. So next they have mentioned here about a PDF which includes all the guidelines so that you can fill the registration form without making any mistakes. So we'll see this PDF now. So as you can see on your screen right now, so this is the PDF they have provided for the guidelines. So just go through all these things. Very first thing is all the text boxes are to be filled in capital only. And just go through the things they have mentioned here, like all the basic instructions are here. So So they have just mentioned the things like what things you have to fill in the registration form. So we can see these things in the actual registration form too. So if you are willing to read, just go and read all this information. I have already mentioned the link in the description box of the video. So let's move forward with the website. So after going through all these guidelines, just simply click here on the I have read the instructions carefully and click on next. So just go once through all the guidelines PDF so that you won't make any kind of mistake while filling this registration form. So as you can see, very firstly you have to enter your Aadhaar number here, then your PAN details, after that your prefix and your first name, your middle name, your last name, your DOB, your father's name, your mother's name, your mobile number, then your email ID, then the marital status, and you have to verify your email ID here too. Then your mother tongue, your current address, your city, state, your PIN code, and whether your current address and permanent address both same or different, so you have to mention that here. After that you have to mention the preferred interview location. So they have given a number of cities here. You can simply click in on any one of the city. How did you get to know about this opportunity, and click here, mention your PIN code here, your nationality, and after filling all this information simply click on the next tab here. So after filling the basic details, you have to mention the things about your educational details, like have you done any kind of post graduation, yes or no, undergraduation, yes or no, your diploma holder, then you have to mention yes or no, then 12th and HSC board, like yes or no, and you have to mention your SSC score here and your SSC year of passing, and here you have to mention gap between academics, like no gap, 0 to 12 months of gap, about 13 to 24 months of gap, and a gap of more than 24 months. So based on your thing you can just mention any one of the things here. After that simply click on the next button here. So after filling the information about your educational qualification, simply fill the information such as your professional experience, like if you are a fresher or you have done any kind of internship or you have any kind of work experience, and you have to upload your CV here. Then simply click here on the I agree to terms and conditions. Once go through all these terms and conditions. So after filling all this information, simply click here on the submit form tab here. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from Atos Syntel. So I hope you guys like this video, as we have seen complete information about this opportunity in this video. We also saw how one can actually fill the registration form too. So I request you all to share this video with your fellow friends so that they can get to know about this opportunity. And if you came across any type of query while filling the form, then you can mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.